Hey Sugar Boogers, I'm back again with another video, and of course I have my famous old seafood. I have lobster tail, have shrimp, potatoes, and corn. I got my beloved sauce, and I got some Alfredo sauce that I'm going to try with this today. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you can be notified when I upload another video. And if you always come check me out, thank you for stopping by again. Alright, showing Sugar Mama some love. So let me get this thumbnail started, get it out the way, make it look pretty. I thought I had it. Ooh, my shrimp fell. Did you see that? How about I just do this? I'll get one of them. Anyway. So, how y'all feeling today? I'm going to start off with a shrimp. You know I'm going to start off with a shrimp. I love my shrimp. Love my shrimp. Y'all want some? That shrimp. Look at that shrimp. Look at that shrimp. Dip that in that sauce. You see that? See what this sauce. Guess what, y'all? I forgot my lemon. Gotta put some of that good on there. See that? Ooh, y'all, I done threw all my food. My bad. That's good. I gotta bring this sauce close to me, y'all. I'll leave it up here for right now. I'm gonna try the Alfredo. Alright, this is my first time doing the Alfredo. It is. I'm so stuck on that sauce. That's good. It's good. Y'all gonna see me doing this because I'm in love with this sauce. This is my favorite. That potato. Shrimp. Woo. Sauce a little spicy. I got black cherry, y'all. Got my black cherry. Get that out the way. And this cheese, y'all. Get that out there. Ooh, I shook y'all. It don't matter. It don't matter. As long as y'all see what I'm eating on. Alright? Those shrimp. So y'all, I got my first guest coming on. I'm gonna try this lobster tail, y'all. Dip that in there. Not yet, y'all see that. See, y'all see that? Yeah. Let me see. Yes, I did that. I did that. I'll do that. Good and tender. Good and tender. That's that lobster tail. Good and tender, y'all. You hear my boys? I got that going. This is an eating video, y'all. I'm still messing up the table. Like the same way, y'all. And it's not going to be a long video, of course. It's not. But this is actually for real. It's really a snack. But I couldn't eat my snack and not show my sugar woogers. My snack. Y'all better go get y'all a snack. Here y'all. I got my first guest coming on. I think it's I think my date. I think it's April 20th. Because remember, I said if you want seafood, you want all this, I'll make it happen. All you gotta do is subscribe, comment, tell me you want some seafood. You live in the area, I can make it happen. Come and sit with me and eat some seafood. That's all. That's all. Yeah, that was that. Cutting on one of the potatoes. Potatoes. Look at my mouth, y'all. Look. Look. Get that good on here. Good. This lobster tail is good though. I'm gonna dip a little bit in the Alfredo. No. I gotta stick with this sauce. Stick with what I know. Woo! Y'all, hey, this here is spicy. Woo! Let me open up my black cherry. Whoa, that give you. That was for real, but excuse me, y'all. If you ain't like, I'm sorry. But then again, I'm not. I'm at home. Y'all over there watching me, that's all. I'm sorry, but excuse me. That was a good one, though. It gave me some room. Like, I don't need that much room. Because I'm not eating a lot. I don't want to eat a lot. That's right. Told y'all this was only a snack. Snack. Put all that up here for show. That's for show. I ain't gonna eat all that because I don't want all that, y'all. No. Excuse me, y'all. Got a little cold. That's all. I'm tired of eating it already. But No, I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to come and show my sugar wooger some love. I had to come and show my sugar wooger some love. Ay, y'all. You know, I could make it long, drawn out, you know, but no, I'm not gonna do it. Not today. I love y'all all. When am I going to do another video? I have no idea. It's for fun. It's for fun. This sauce is serious. I'm going to do one more shrimp for y'all. One more. Since I ain't got nothing to talk about right now. I probably did in this drawing a blank right now. It's a nice size. See, nice size. Dip it in this sauce. Okay, Ruben, you see that, y'all? I forgot that the thing was going. I forgot to say, oh, I'm done. Yeah, like, I forgot to tell y'all. Look, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, share, thumbs up this video. Show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. Show me some love. Just for a little bit. Anyway, I gotta leave y'all with a hug. It's early during the day. I don't know what time it is over there y'all at, but it's early. I love